This isn't just a classic Chevy, it's the very first Impala ever built, powered by a legendary 348 tri-power V8, and it's worth an incredible $129,900. Let's see why collectors can't get enough of this American icon. Imagine stepping back into the golden age of American automobiles, where chrome ruled the roads, V8 engines thundered with authority, and every new model looked like a work of art. Today, we're looking at one of the most beautiful classics ever to wear a Chevrolet badge, the magnificent 1958 Chevrolet Impala. The 1958 model wasn't just another Chevrolet. It marked the birth of the legendary Impala nameplate, instantly becoming Chevrolet's flagship full-size luxury car. Even decades later, its distinctive styling, elegant proportions, and unmistakable triple taillights continue to capture the hearts of collectors around the world. Finished in a stunning light blue paint, this Impala immediately commands attention. Every inch of the body reflects the optimism and bold design language of late 1950s America. The massive chrome bumpers, sculpted body lines, and sparkling trim create a timeless presence that few classic cars can match. One of the most eye-catching features is the beautiful Continental Kit mounted on the rear. It gives the car an even longer, more luxurious appearance while paying tribute to the glamorous styling trends of the era. Fender skirts complete the elegant side profile, giving the Impala a smooth, flowing silhouette that remains iconic to this day. Down at each corner, classic spinner hubcaps and wide white wall tires perfectly finish the vintage look. Every detail has been carefully preserved to maintain the authentic character that made the first-year Impala so special. But beauty alone isn't what makes this classic unforgettable. Lift the hood, and you'll discover Chevrolet's legendary 348 cubic inch V8 engine. This famous turbo-thrust V8 became one of the most respected engines of its generation, delivering smooth power and unmistakable American V8 sound. This particular example retains its factory-style specifications while featuring one of its most desirable performance options, the tri-power carburetor setup. 3 two-barrel carburetors feed the powerful V8, providing impressive throttle response and a dramatic appearance every time the hood is opened. It's an engine bay that instantly attracts attention at every classic car show. Power flows through Chevrolet's dependable Powerglide 2-speed automatic transmission. While modern transmissions may offer more gears, the Powerglide is celebrated for its smooth operation, durability, and effortless cruising characteristics. Combined with power steering, this Impala offers a surprisingly comfortable driving experience, making every journey feel relaxed and enjoyable. Underneath, the car remains true to its heritage. A stock rear end works together with Chevrolet's coil spring suspension to deliver the smooth ride that made these luxury cruisers famous. The suspension absorbs bumps with ease, allowing passengers to experience the kind of comfort that defined premium American automobiles of the late 1950s. Take a closer look underneath, and you'll immediately notice the quality of the restoration. The floors have been finished in body color, creating a clean and authentic appearance. A black painted frame provides a sharp contrast while showcasing the car's solid structure. New hardware throughout the undercarriage demonstrates the level of care invested in preserving this remarkable automobile. Completing the mechanical package is a dual exhaust system that allows the legendary 348 V8 to produce its rich, unmistakable soundtrack. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that perfectly captures 1950s luxury. The stock interior has been beautifully maintained with elegant tri-tone blue upholstery that instantly transports you back to Chevrolet's golden era. The combination of multiple blue shades creates a bright, sophisticated atmosphere that feels both stylish and inviting. Double bench seating allows plenty of room for family and friends, exactly as Chevrolet intended. Unlike modern bucket seats, These wide benches emphasize comfort, making every cruise feel like a special occasion. In front of the driver sits the original stock steering wheel, a timeless design that reminds you of an era when automobiles were built with character and elegance. Behind it, the factory gauges provide all the essential information while maintaining the dashboard's authentic appearance. The classic column-mounted shifter keeps the cabin uncluttered and enhances the spacious layout. Every detail inside reflects Chevrolet's commitment to craftsmanship. From the carefully restored trim to the period-correct materials, this cabin is a beautiful reminder of how luxury was defined in the late 1950s. Cars like this are becoming increasingly difficult to find, especially examples equipped with the desirable 348 tri-power engine, Powerglide transmission, Continental Kit, and such an exceptionally preserved factory-style presentation. Gatlocos value originality, and this Impala proudly showcases many of the features that made the very first Impala so significant in automotive history. Whether displayed at prestigious Concours events, admired at local cruise nights, or enjoyed on weekend drives, it represents one of the most recognizable symbols of classic American motoring. The asking price for this incredible automobile is $129,900. For serious collectors, that's an opportunity to own not just a beautifully restored classic, but the very first chapter in one of Chevrolet's longest-running and most celebrated automotive legends. Financing is also available through Vanguard Motor Sales, making ownership even more accessible for enthusiasts looking to add this masterpiece to their collection. The 1958 Chevrolet Impala isn't simply transportation. It's rolling artwork. It's a symbol of innovation, optimism, and American automotive excellence. Every chrome accent, every curve of the body, every note from the tri-power 348 V8 tells the story of an unforgettable era when cars were designed to inspire. If you enjoyed seeing this stunning first-year Chevrolet Impala, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible classic muscle car or luxury automotive feature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.